Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a free website using Google Sites. Google Sites is a platform that is provided by Google, as the name says, that allows you to create websites, and it will also host the website for you. So the first thing you will need to do is go onto sites.google.com. Once on sites.google.com, you will be led to this dashboard. And from here, you can go over to the top right hand corner and you could tap on Template Gallery. After selecting Template Gallery, you will see different templates that you can choose from depending on the type of website that you would like to create. You can scroll down and you can select any one of these templates. But for this example, we'll be creating a website from scratch. So I'm going to select blank. After you have tapped on blank, you will be redirected to this page. And this is our home page and the only page at the moment on our website. So the first thing you could do is go over to the top left hand corner. And from there, you could enter your site name, or you can also add a logo. A good website to create a logo for your website would be Canva, as you'll be able to do that for completely free. But let's say I want to enter a website name. So all I would name this website at the moment is Jason's blog. So I'm going to do that right here. Then after doing that, you can enter your page title, or if you would like to add a background image, you could tap on image right here. Now to start adding content to your website, all you would need to do is go over to the right hand menu option, and from there you can tap on content blocks. So if you would like to add an image with text, you can do that, or if you would like to add two images with two text boxes like two columns, you can also do that. There are numerous options that you can add. So let's say for the first option, I would like to add an image with text. All I would have to do is simply tap and drag and place it where I want, as you can see right here. And you can also add a video if you want. All you would have to do is tap on the plus. So from there, you could choose to embed a YouTube video, or you could choose to upload a photo or video. All you would need to do is simply tap on upload. Once you have tapped on upload, from here you could select the photo or video that you would like to use. So let's say for example, I want to use this photo right here, just a random photo for example. You can see it right there. Then from here I could simply type in the text. So I could type in the text right there. And if I wanted to add something more, I can also do that. So if I wanted to add text with columns, I could do that. I could simply drag and place it right here. So as you can see, I would be able to add 3 images, and I would also be able to add text below it. Once you have done that, you can scroll down. And another beautiful thing about Google Sites is, with Google Sites, you'll be able to access any other Google feature. So for example, if you have things saved in Google Drive, you can access them by simply tapping on Drive. And also if you would like to create a form or so on to add to your site, you can do that by simply going onto Google Forms. Then you could select Forms right here, and you would have access to it by simply tapping on Forms. You would have access to any form that you have created in the past, as you can see right here. So let's say I wanted to add this booking form. All I would have to do is simply drag and place it where I want to add it. As you can see right here, all I'll have to do is simply tap on it, then tap on insert, and it would have been added, as you can see right there. And that's it. And also to create another page, all you'll need to do is go over to the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap right where you see pages. Then you're going to hover over the plus at the bottom right hand corner. And from here you have 4 options. So you can either choose to tap on a new page, and you'll be able to create a new page from scratch just like what I showed you, or you could tap on new link, And then from there you could enter the page link, so you can enter a page link if you want. Or if you would like to full page embed something, you could simply tap on full page embed right here. Then you would add the page name and you would see the option to embed the code. You can see right here, after I've tapped on done, you will see the option add embed, and you could simply tap right there, then tap on embed code, and you could paste the code right there. Or again, let me tap on pages by hovering over the plus, then tapping on new page. You can enter your page name. So let's say I want to call this page the second page right here. Let me do that real quick. You'll tap in the page name, then you'll tap on done, and you can see right here, you can see the 3 pages, as you can see right here. And if you would like to delete a page, all you have to do after selecting pages in the top right hand corner, you would simply hover over the page that you want to remove, then tap on the 3 dots in line with the page name, and you would tap on delete. And you can see that it has been deleted. And also, if you would like to change the home page, at the moment you can see that this is my home page, but let's say I want to change it to the second page right here. All I have to do is hover over the second page name, then tap on the 3 dots in line with the page name, and I'll tap on set as home page. And you can see that it is now the home page, as you can see right here. And also, if you would like to make any other changes, let's say for example you want to add a sub page to a page, you can do that by simply tapping on the 3 dots beside the page name, then tap on add sub page, and from there you could type in the sub page name. So let me do that for example's sake. So I'll tap on add sub page right here, then I'm going to type in the sub page name, then I'll tap on done. And you can see right here, the home page also has a sub page, as you can see right there. And you can add numerous sub pages if you want. So if you like to add a second or third sub page, all you'll have to do is tap on add sub page. And also, if you would like to hide a page from the navigation at the top right here, again, all you have to do is hover over the page name, then tap on the 3 dots, and you're going to tap on hide from navigation. So you can see right there that that page has been removed from the navigation, as you can see right there. So only the second page will pop up. And to unhide the page, again, you'll simply hover over the page name, tap on the 3 dots, then from there you're going to select show in navigation. Once everything is to your liking, you can also tap on themes in the top right hand corner, and you could change the theme. So you can change the font style, you can change the font color if you want also. And if you would like to upload a theme, you could do that by simply tapping on import theme. Or if you would like to create a theme, you could tap on the plus right there, and then from there you could create your own theme. And once everything is finished, you can preview how it would look by simply tapping on preview at the top menu option. After you have tapped on preview, you will see how it looks on a laptop. You can tap on the mobile, the phone right here, to see how it would look on a phone. You can also tap on the tablet to preview how it would look on a tablet. Then tap on exit preview. After exiting the preview, we are going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on publish, from here you can enter the name that you would like to show up on your URL. So let's say for example I want the name to be test1. So you can see right here, once the name is available, you are going to see a blue tick, and you can see how my URL would look: sites.google.com view test122. Then all I would need to do now is simply tap on publish, and my store would be live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.